Maki M10 360 degrees rotary head template machine. Forward-looking industrial design to create a new height of template machine aesthetics. With more than 10 national patents. Flat top structure for simplicity. One-piece cast iron body. One-touch automatic template sewing. The machine head can rotate 360 degrees freely. Sewing area: X direction 1,300 mm, Y direction 900 mm. Sewing speed 3,500 RPM. The height of the middle presser foot can reach 17 mm, and the height of the other presser foot can reach 20 mm. RFID radio frequency device. Pattern easy to read. IoT technology, remote transmission. Unlimited storage of built-in patterns. Lightweight hook holder design. Independent external oil storage device. Rotating motor pattern fully enclosed oil-proof design. Built-in conductive slip ring design. Maki M10 with superior performance. Folding design of the operating table. Applicable to a variety of complex patterns with sewing.